Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Hello. Hi. Assalamualaikum viewers. How are you all guys? I hope so you all are fine. I am also fine. Alhamdulillah. So viewers, this is DIY craft videos signing in. And I am going to share with you our most stunning and very beautiful sewing ideas for you guys. These are super classy, amazing, and very unique ideas for you guys. Thank you so much guys for supporting my channel and for watching my videos. These are super trending and very beautiful ideas for you guys. These are very amazing handmade sewing ideas for you guys. I am glad to see you all guys. These are stunning, these are very amazing and very unique ideas for you guys. So guys, if you want different other videos, then guys you must leave the comment in the comment section. I will upload those videos on my channel very soon, inshallah. These are stunning, these are very amazing and very classy ideas for you guys. So guys, I am glad to see you all guys. Follow for more details and must subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon. And these are very pretty collection, very pretty ideas for you guys. Take care, bye bye. Allah Hafiz guys.